There's a great deal of money in printing on demand, okay? It doesn't take a lot of your skills, it doesn't take a lot of your time, but there can be some good profits if you scale it nice. So let me just show you step by step how it's done. Hit that subscribe and let's go. Now, everybody knows that Etsy is a perfect place to sell anything at all, okay? You have a lot of these things, you have a lot of these like graphics, you have a lot of gifts. Basically, whatever you make, you can sell it on Etsy. There are some digital products as well, and all of them can make you money. But let me actually show you this. If you type in like shirts or maybe even some niche shirts, you will find a lot of these, and all of these are print on demand. So for example, if you want to get this one, you will have to order that, but this person isn't keeping this in stock, okay? This is print on demand, and that means that it's gonna get printed when you order this. So all of these people are doing the business at the same strategy, okay? So all of them are just doing print on demand. You can see this is custom printed, for example, and you can just add your text or logo or even a picture. So you can just add that to cart, and of course you will pay $13 for it. So you can see that there's a great deal of money in here. But just take a look at this. If you type in, I don't know, maybe dog lovers shirts, you're gonna get everything that is related to dogs, okay? So for example, this one, you can even send your own picture, okay? So you can send your own picture and that can be on your t-shirt, okay? But how do we actually make these? How can we actually make something like this? Well, we can simply use Canva.com. Canva.com has a lot of templates and you can make whatever you want. And best of all, it is free. Okay, Canva has a lot of free templates. So you can, for example, search for dog and you're going to get a lot of these pictures with dogs, all right? So now you can choose whichever one of these you want. But one thing to remember about Canva is that if it has, for example, this crown icon, you have to be a subscriber to get this template, okay? So only subscribers can get these with crowns, but you can see that there are a lot of these without a crown, so these are for free. I have a subscription, so I can choose whatever. This one I like, and when you choose something, just click on Customize this template. So when you click on Customize this template, you will be led inside of this editor of theirs, and it's all inside of your browser, okay? You don't have to download anything at all, and now you can just go and you can just edit this in the way you want. So you can just delete this, you can go and delete this, and all of this can be on your t-shirt. So what I want is something like this, for example. I just want this doggy on my t-shirt, and I just want it to be like this. So I want this on my t-shirt, okay? I want this dog. You can see that it's a full dog. Someone made this template, and it's a really nice one. So I just want it like this on a t-shirt. So when you're satisfied with your design, you can just click on the share button here, and click on the download button here, and then download once again. It's going to go over to your computer and we're ready for the next step. Now you can see that we can make something similar to this, and Etsy.com is going to take care of the sales, but you need a platform which is going to actually print these. So you need to go to a website which actually does this. Etsy is going to take care of the sales because they have a lot of traffic, right? You can actually see that Etsy.com has 500 million total visits each month, so that's a huge amount of traffic, guys. There's 500 million people each month coming to buy something, okay? That means that we're gonna get a lot of traffic for our products, and that means more money for us. But of course, as I told you, you gotta have a platform which is gonna print these out and ship them, okay? So this is Redbubble, okay? This is Redbubble. Redbubble also has a lot of traffic, but this is for design only. You can't sell here. And when you go on redbubble.com, you can actually sell your art, and you can actually design your t-shirts. So when you connect here, you can just make yourself an account like on all of these websites, and then you have this, sell your art. And you can actually see if I click on it, you can just click on start selling. And of course, you will just have to make yourself an account and you will get a store inside of this. So let's log in inside and see how it's done. Now, this is how it works. Once you start selling your art in here, you just gotta design that. So, how it's done? Well, we have to click on this button, which is our account, and then click on Sell Your Art. And then you can see that you will just have to create products. So, you will upload your original art and choose the products on which you wanted to paste it on. We already made our design, so that's what we need. Now we only need to set up a shop, and we need to choose whether we want to get a t-shirt or a mug or a backpack, whatever. And when you do that, you will get paid. So you can see here, guys, add new work. So when you click on this button, add new work, you will be redirected to choose if you want to copy an existing work. So this is if you have like uploaded something before and now you want to get back to it. But of course, we want to upload new work right now. So when you click on this, you will just have to like select that design that we have made with Canva.com, and you can see here it is. And down there you can see how it's gonna look on a standard t-shirt or something like that. You have stickers, you have phone cases, which is really good, and you can as well sell phone cases, and that's going to give you the money as well. So you can just apply changes, guys, and you can see it's really good thing. If you want to edit this out, you will see, guys, that you can just center this, you can scale the image, you can just make it bigger or smaller, you can choose the pattern and all of that stuff. But of course, you can even make t-shirts, and this is all your design. So whatever gets ordered, this is gonna go there. Okay, so even scarves, like some notebooks, clocks, it's a really good thing. Now, there's also another website which is called Teespring. Now, Teespring is the similar way, but in here, they will just handle the shipping. They will keep everything in stock, and you just have to, like, create. So, for example, let's say we go with this t-shirt. We just click on the Create button, and then we just have to add that image that we have designed from Canva. You can click on the Add Image button, which is here, and you will get that doggy here. So you can just go and you can rescale it. You can see you can put it on a whole t-shirt, and you will see, guys, that it is a nice t-shirt. Now, what is cool about Teespring is that you can decide how much money you want to get for it. So you can just type in your price, and here on the right, you're going to see what is going to be your profit, okay? Because Teespring is going to make this, it is going to print that out, and it's going to ship that to the customers, so you don't have to take care of that at all. So after all, they have to make some money. So what are you going to get is $11.64 per each one of those sales. And Teespring as well has a lot of traffic, so you're going to get a lot of customers if you just use Teespring as your website. But of course, do not forget about Etsy. Etsy can do wonders as well, but so does Redbubble.com. So you can combine all of these, and that way you will maximize your profit. So just go and do it, guys. Take the action, and I'll catch you.